So, I put my tent out here last night. It's next to the Willamette, secret spot, but maybe you can see the water. Here, let me get you a little better view. But yeah, it's a good spot. I slept pretty well here, and it's always nice waking up and looking at the water from your tent. That's always awesome. So yeah, I don't work today, so I'm just gonna go ahead and break my tent down and get out of here. First things first, though, I think I'm gonna put my contacts in and just look around with these binoculars that I have, because I haven't really used them yet. So, alright. Deuces.